guys, today we are making delicious vegetable soup. Please stay tuned and watch the video to the end. Okay guys, I have 4 types of vegetable. I have baby spinach here. I have green, and the other one I don't know the name. I don't know the name they used to call it in this place. It's very fresh. If you want to wash your vegetable, you add salt and hot water so that you remove all the dirt inside. You check it for 5 minutes before you go ahead and wash the vegetable. Wash it very well. Okay, guys. Leave it for 5 minutes before you wash it. I don't wash the vegetable now. It's very important. If you buy anything, not only vegetable, anything you buy for market, you have to wash it very well. No, and this vegetable, I don't know where they for plant the vegetable, how they take keep and rub. If you buy it for market, you have to wash it very well, give it proper washing. But this is our bed, oh my God. If something don't enter inside, you have to keep everything you want to eat meat. Okay guys. This is the meat I want to use to make my delicious vegetable soup. In here I have cow leg here. I have beef, I have shaki, I have a body and aquanano. I will use pressure pot to boil the cow leg and aquanano. It's time to boil the meat now. I will add 1 mango cube. After then I'll add onion. I want to use pressure pot to boil the meat because the meat is very strong. Then I add salt. I will cover it to done for 20 minutes. This is the onions I want to use to fry this stew before I use to cook vegetable. I have 3 pieces of onions. It's 4. I use 1 to boil meat. I will blend 2 and use 1 to fry the stew. I have dry pepper. You can use any pepper of your choice. But I myself, I like to use dry pepper for my soup. I have tomatoes already blend. I have catfish, dry one. I have crayfish. Hello guys, here is the fish I bought today. I went to market. This fish is very big. I will use oven to dry the fish tomorrow. You can add your tomatoes, everything down together. You fry am well, please. You fry it very well. Make your this will not come slap your hand. Okay guys, fry the tomatoes very well. You allow your tomato to dry before you add your vegetable. You fry it very well. After adding tomatoes, you say it together. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you saying? Subscribe to make it tiny, guys. Subscribe, share. Like, okay, share to your loved one. Let's move forward. Hand up because together. Share my video. That's my video. Share my video. Share my video. Let me copy yourself. Share my video. Bang, bang, bang. Go to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. And then share my video. I love your song so much. Oh my God. It's time to have Maggi now. Maggi and coffee. You add it together. One Maggi and one. Test whether sauce don't catch up. You need sauce. You can add salt. After adding salt, add the vegetable. Don't add the vegetable, you can't stir well. So that everything will run together, combine together, stay very well. And you know, cook your vegetable overdone, please, just 5 minutes, okay. Cook the vegetable for 5 minutes. Oh, for a one now, this one na better vegetable soup. Oh my god. Hey guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share to your lovely one, share my video, like my video. Hey my god, this soup buckish vegetable soup. This one na correct vegetable soup. Done already now. Make I carry on that, make my vegetable no overdone. Just you cook your vegetable for 5 to 6 minutes, okay, so that the vegetable will not overdone. Okay guys, the food is set to eat now. Please come and join me, let's enjoy it together. The food is very delicious and yummy. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share to your lovely one, like and comment. See you next time on my video. Enjoy yourself and stay safe. For me, happy Xmas in advance to you all, and happy birthday in advance to me. Christmas is my birthday. I can't wait to see that day. Alright, bye.